Hello friends, how you hope you are fine. So in this video we have to implement checkup page. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this. First of all, you have to rename all the fields. Okay, so this is combo box. So open properties and rename this to, oh wait 1 minute, change variable name and name it as all p mean all patients, and change variable name to all m mean all medicines. This is quantity, so change variable name to quantity, change variable name to m list. You also create a fee. Okay, for taking a fee. Okay, any fee doctor wants from this patient, he put here. Okay, so you just need a text field from here and put it here and duplicate this age. Okay, to write a fee label. Okay, so name it as fee. Okay, I will show you. So you have to name it as fee, change variable name as record, REC, and this one is patient age. Okay, so that's all. Now what we have to do? First of all, we have to load. When page is load, we have to show all the patients in this combo box and all the medicine in this combo box. So how can we do that? I write all the code. Let me just show you. Okay. So first of all, I scroll down all the code to show you. Okay, so you may stop the video and check your code. Okay, and compare it with this code. Okay, so this is the code. Now let me explain it all. Now first of all, we have to make some changes in billing info class. Okay, first of all, in the constructor we have to initialize with a list. Okay, because we have to add medicine in this list. I create a list. Okay, so what is this? Just refactor, rename. Okay, medicines like that, and this one is the list, and we have to initialize this. Okay, and in the setter and getter, what we have to do, we have to pass an medicine ID and add to that particular list. Okay, so this is the main changes in medicine. Okay, in the billing info class, now in the checkup we have to create three lists. Okay, all medicine, all patients, and all records. Okay, because we have to store all the data after reading the text file. Okay, so first of all, we have to read the text file for record. Okay, so our record is same like the other files that I created. Okay, you need to create another text file which is named record. Okay, and the medicine in that particular record are split by comma, and all the other fields, okay, are split by semicolon. It's look like that 9, like this one is the ID name. Okay, like that. So medicine are like that. Okay, m1 comma m2 like that. So these are the subfields. Okay, and load medicine function will load all the medicines to that particular, okay, combo box. You can see we have to, after reading all the medicines, what we have to do, we have to run a loop till the size of medicines and show okay, add to that particular combo box. Okay, you can see this combo box, and we have to call this function in the constructor, as you can see, and then read all patient and load all the patient to that particular. You can see this function read all the patients, and at the time of reading I will also add, instead of you can see I'm adding to patients. Okay, patient linked list, and also I'm adding to the combo box. Okay, only the ID and the name. Okay, let me show you. Here I have to put the ID, login, checkup. You can see it's showing all the ID and it's showing all the medicines. Okay, ID and name. Okay, so that's done. When it's loading, it get all the data from the text files and load. Okay, so we also have to set an event on change, like I'll show you. Wait 1 minute. If I change this one, if, so what's the age of if is 13. Okay, what's the age of dev? 67. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to open event item and item changed. On item changed, we have to call this function. Okay, you simply write this code. I have to control X and put it here like that. Okay, what we have to do, we have to get the index of selected item. Okay, because we are displaying all the patients in the combo box in a sequential order. Okay, so we have to get at that particular index, and if p is not, patient is not null. Okay, we have to set the age on that particular. Okay, text like you can see I have to display all the text in this text field. Okay, and what we have to do, one more thing, you have to uncheck this one because age is not editable by doctor. Okay, at runtime. So that's done. When loading, you can see it getting all the data from the database and displaying here same like that. And when this button is clicked, okay, add medicine to medicine list, what's happened? Okay, we have to check if quantity is not null and the selected item is not null. Okay, otherwise you have to display this message. If quantity, we have to check the quantity because we have to check this quantity is available in hospital or not. So how can we check that? You can see we have to get the current ID that entered by the user. Okay, you can see, and we have to loop through all the medicines. Okay, if this quantity is found, okay, we have to check if the quantity in, okay, quantity entered by user is greater than, okay, all the medicines. Okay, we have to check the quantity. If it is valid quantity, we have to return true, otherwise we have to return false. Okay, so if we return true, then we check this quantity is not available because the entered quantity is greater than the quantity available in our store. Okay, so when I double tap on that button, you can see if this is true, then we have to display message your current quantity is greater than the available current quantity. Otherwise, what we have to do, we have to append our medicine list. Okay, so this one is our medicine list. At the end, we have to separate all the medicine by line. Okay, and then by comma to get all the information. Okay, so the main use here is separator. Okay, because we also using separator in text files. Okay, at the end, what's happened when generate bill is clicked, you can see we also have to check if fee is entered or not. And okay, recommendation is must compulsory because doctor must have to recommend some medicine to doctor. Okay, and then we need to create billing info because we have to store the billing info in our text file. Okay, and these are all the data required for billing info. We have to set patient ID, fee. Okay, and this one is the medicine data. So here we have to get the text from, okay, medicine list and split by line and then split by semicolon. Okay, and get all the required data, and we have to subtract all the data like all the quantity from the available quantity. Okay, you can see you have to get the current quantity and subtract it from the available quantity. Okay, and update the medicine list. You can see medicine data and then store this data. Okay, we also are getting the daytime, okay, current daytime. So that's all. Let me again show you all the code. So this one is save data, okay. Okay, these are this is all the code, okay. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel if you want more. So in the next video I will show you the working of the remaining both, okay, the earnings and the analysis, okay, like the record menu.